Children have always been able to put a smile on your face. Why not do something to put a smile on your face? The McDonald's November 10th to 20th to purchase the ham for $1 and help us support Ronald McDonald House Charities. You'll make the lives a little brighter for children all over the world. Always wanted to know who's on Match.com, and we want you to know it's okay to look. We guarantee if you don't find someone special within 6 months, we'll give you 6 months free. And it's only at Match.com.
Mm-hmm.